Do you want your child to go for a job or to be a leader? This simple question can make a big difference in choosing CBSE, Cambridge, or IB board.
CBSE and Cambridge are subject-focused and exam-based. That means your teacher teaches you something and then assesses your understanding via exams. On the other hand, IB board is inquiry-driven and research-based. That means you create your own original piece of work.
So can you explain it more by giving some academic example?
Let's take Newton's laws. Suppose your teacher wants to teach you Newton's laws. In a CBSE classroom, she would she would take a textbook which is pre-structured, pre-written. She would make you underline, maybe you maintain a class notebook, and then you have to memorize it and show your memorization in the exam. In a Cambridge classroom, the teacher would explain you Newton's laws by, let's say, one text with some experiments and examples, and then she would give you a new, unfamiliar, but similar text, and you have to demonstrate your understanding. While in an IB classroom, the teacher would invite inquiry, and then she would encourage discussions. She would kind of cross some more disciplines into it. Let's say Newton's laws with environmental science or psychology, liberal arts, humanities oriented. And then she would ask you to write a research paper, do some lab experiment, write a report, or prepare a presentation.
So it means that CBSE focuses more on memorization, Cambridge on understanding, and IB board on creating your own work.
Absolutely.
So how do we choose the board for our children?
A very simple self-questioning. If you want your child to be ready for entrance exams which are subject-focused, let's say NEET or JEE, then a CBSE or Cambridge up till IGCSE is great. But if you want your child to be an inventor, to discover something, to create his own institution or infrastructure, a leader, then IB is a card to pick. All the best.
All the best.